These are the Tagry X08 wireless earbuds. Let's go over the different functions and features of these earbuds. Starting with battery life, with the charging case, you'll get up to 4 additional charges, including, of course, the initial charge of the earbuds, which will give you 30 hours of total run time for each earbud, which will give you up to 60 hours of listening time if you listen to one earbud at a time. But if you listen to them both at the same time, that's up to 30 hours of listening time for both earbuds. The case has a nice display showing you your total battery left in the case itself, and then it shows each individual earbud. Now, charging the earbuds, you can use the included cable that you get with it, which is a Type-C charging cord, or you can use a wireless charging pad. You'll simply set it on the pad and it will charge wirelessly. They have an IPX5 water rating, which means it's good for getting sprayed with water. If you're going to use these to work out, sweat is fine. You're going to run in the rain, that's fine. So they can get water poured on them. They just cannot be submerged underwater. They're really easy and comfortable to put in. Now, they do come with different silicone tips. Pick the one that's most comfortable for you. I'm usually somewhere in the middle. So not the small one, not the large one. The middle one is usually best for me. Now, one thing I do like about these is that they are very comfortable and lightweight. They actually have a nice base to them so that it's not totally reliant on the silicone tip for it to hold in your ear, which is really comfortable for me. So the back of the earbud actually rests here in the bottom of my ear. Sorry, I'm not sure what that's called, but it just rests in there nicely, so it's nice, secure, firmly in the ear without causing too much ear fatigue. I can wear these for hours at a time, and they're really comfortable. Honestly, after a couple minutes, they're very lightweight and easy to wear that I kind of forget that they're actually there. They are that comfortable. Controls are really simple and responsive. So right here, kind of in the middle of the earbud, you're going to tap. One tap will play or pause. 2 taps on the right earbud will skip forward. 2 taps on the left earbud will restart or go back. And then 3 taps on the right earbud will activate any voice controls that you have on your device. These earbuds do have 13mm drivers, which is bigger than your typical 6 to 10mm driver in an earbud in this kind of style and range. And I have actually noticed that the sound quality is really good, and I think those larger speaker drivers actually help with the bass. I've noticed a lot more bass in these earbuds compared to some other ones that I've tried. These earbuds do have microphones, so you can take phone calls with them. Also, another feature I really like is that there's a voice alert in each earbud when you first take it out and connect it or put it in. I like that feature, just letting you know so there's no confusion to whether or not you're actually connected to your device. Now here I've switched over to the earbuds so you can hear what they sound like. Now, one feature that these earbuds have is CVC, which stands for Clear Voice Calls. And what that does is it helps kind of suppress that background noise and make the voice of you when you're wearing the earbuds stand out more, so you're more clear and easier to hear when you're doing phone calls. Now, one way that I found to test this is what I'm going to do is actually turn on a vacuum, and I'm going to let you hear the difference between the microphone that I'm wearing here, which does not have that CVC technology, and the earbuds. Now, of course, we'll be able to hear everything, but I just want to show you the difference here. So I've just got my shop vac here, so I'm just going to turn it on and set it down here on the ground. And now we're going to listen to the audio coming here from my lavalier mic. Now you can hear me, my voice is standing out. However, when I look back at the audio or waveform, it's really just kind of one solid block. There's not as big of a distinction between my voice and the vacuum here. But now, when I switch over to the earbuds here, I can see more of that CVC technology kicking in. There's that, of course, solid kind of background noise, but when I'm talking, my voice is being picked up more clearly than just a microphone by itself. I hope that was a good demonstration to give you an idea of what these might sound like if you were taking phone calls in a busy, loud area, or maybe you just want to do some chores around the house while you're catching up with friends and family. Now, looking at the weight, I did not weigh them myself, but they're listed at 0.14 ounces, and I'm just going to take them at their word. In my experience using them, I haven't felt any ear fatigue, so I would say they are very light easy to fit in the ear with little to no ear fatigue, so very comfortable to wear. Now finally, at the risk of sounding dramatic, these are by far the best budget earbuds that I have tested and used so far. They cost $25. I think they're on sale right now. Even not on sale, I think they're $30 or $35. And with that, compared to the sound quality and overall experience, I have to say these are right up there with my favorite earbuds, top 3.